If you're on Social Security disability, do they watch you? Does the administration follow you around to make sure that you're really disabled? Do you continue to be disabled, that you're not violating the rules? Yeah, they can. They employ investigators, not police officers, but investigators, to make sure you're actually disabled. And they are watching you. They're watching your social media profiles to see where you live, what you say you're doing. You got a really bad back injury, you got neuropathy of your feet, and you say you can't stand up, and they show you getting it on and dancing at your kid's wedding? Not good. Who is most likely to turn you in for disability fraud? Your friends, your family. They write letters, they send pictures, and that is the number one reason people get caught for Social Security disability fraud, because of your friends and family saying, hey, this is immoral, unethical, you shouldn't be doing this. This is not just where you got to give the money back. You can also have a fine of up to $250,000. And yeah, they can put you in prison for it. So let's talk about some people that wanted to play around and find out about this. This guy right here, he said that he couldn't work because of his back. Well, he knew that he couldn't live on his disability, so he got a job under an alias. And this was like 5 years where he was getting his disability. And as an alias, he became a truck driver. And they have pictures of him loading and unloading his truck, which you said you couldn't do due to your back injury. So the investigators got the pictures and the proof, and he got busted, and he's going to prison, and he's got to pay back the money, and he's got a fine. Huge mess. You don't want to get on the wrong side of the law. It used to be that they had to actually follow you around. Now they can just, like I said, just go to your social media, because a lot of people are tagging you all over it, showing you doing things that maybe you have already told them you can't do. So be very vigilant. If you make too much money, report it. If you're no longer disabled, report it. Follow the rules of the program. You were lucky to get approved if you finally got approved, because there's many, many people waiting to get approved. Follow the rules, because the government will come after you.
If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.